In this video, we will discuss the average monthly electric bill with solar panels. Solar panels offer potential savings of up to $150 per month. The actual savings on your electricity bill post-installation depend on the efficiency of your solar system, local electricity rates, and your household's energy usage. Let's begin to understand how solar panels can affect your average electric bill and counter rising energy costs. What is the average electricity bill with solar panels? The extent of your energy savings with solar panels varies based on several factors, but on average, when switching to solar electricity, you can expect to save between $50 and $150 monthly. These savings can be even greater when factoring in local solar tax incentives. How do solar panels work with your electric bill? The electric company will only charge you energy used from the grid, not energy used from your solar panels. The primary reason for a reduction in your electricity bill with solar panels lies in how energy usage is charged. With solar panels, your energy consumption primarily relies on the solar energy generated. Only when your usage exceeds what the solar panels provide do you draw energy from the grid or your energy provider. Do you still pay electricity bills with solar panels? Yes, even with solar panels, you will still receive an electric bill. A completely zero electric bill is a rarity, as most solar power users will incur some charges from their provider. While solar panels significantly reduce your reliance on grid-supplied electricity, they typically don't eliminate the electric bill. However, there's a silver lining. If your solar panels produce more energy than you use, your energy provider might credit your account for the surplus energy added to the grid. How much does the electric company pay for solar power? In most cases, you are paid for your solar energy contributions around the same rate as you would pay for grid energy. Net metering significantly benefits homeowners with solar panels by potentially reducing electric bills and allowing for earnings from surplus energy returned to the grid. We hope you found this video helpful. If you are looking for ways to increase the energy efficiency and sustainability in your home, be sure to take a look at all of the latest renewable energy options in your area. The Energy Professor helps residential and small business owners find qualified energy suppliers in New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Texas, Ohio, Maryland, Illinois, and Massachusetts.